Hi everybody, Dr. Kinney, Kinney Chiropractic. Today I want to show you a couple of the best stretches that you can do assisted or not after or before you do any kind of heavy upper body weightlifting. So biceps, triceps, neck into the shoulder, and rotator cuff. I'm going to do an assisted rotator cuff stretch. Start both sides and then I'll show you the rest. So to start, my patient Mike's going to bring his arm overhead. You're going to hook your arm around the hook of the crook of his elbow, elbow to elbow, and pull. And what you're going to do is you just kind of rotate in, and Mike, you should feel that all in your shoulder, the rotator cuff, the back of the shoulder. This is a really deep rotator cuff stretch that you can do before or after you do any kind of heavy shoulder workouts. Same on this side. Now remember, you want to go crook to crook of the arm and really just pull up. And you're going to be breathing through this, Mike. You never want to be holding your breath when we stretch. Good. Now come on and sit up. Face this way. So Mike came in after a workout with a little bit of a neck and shoulder thing going on. So bring your shoulder behind your back, or your arm behind your back. Drop the shoulder down, and then I'm just going to stretch the neck over. So this is like upper back, lateral neck, all the way into the shoulder. If we do this right, breathing into it. And then if we turn the head away from the shoulder we're stretching, it changes up the muscle group that we stretch. So you're going to feel it a little more in the back of the neck and shoulder. Okay, now I'm going the other way. So let's switch arms. Drop that shoulder down, so you never want to shrug the shoulder up when we're stretching it, because you're not going to feel the stretch. And then turning a little bit and bend forward. Good. Awesome. I always like to counter stretch. Always want to be looking up after you look down, just to kind of stretch out the chest a little bit. And then you can do an assisted tricep stretch. Shoulder, so rotate your arm this way. So he's got his hands like kind of on his back like that, and then you're gonna pull it back. You feel that, your tricep? Mm-hmm. So that's gonna stretch this part of the arm. And then biceps, open it up, thumb up, and then you wanna support the back of the shoulder here. You feel that in the bicep? So I always think it's important when you're going to stretch one muscle group, you want to try to stretch the opposing group. That's why whenever we do flexion stretches of the neck, you always want to do extension. Same with the arms. If you're going to do a tricep stretch, you always want to do a bicep stretch. So you always want to do the opposite sides of whatever muscle group you're stretching, so you get both sides of the arm, or the leg, or the neck, or whatever. You feel that in the bicep? Ooh.
Shoulder.
Okay, good. So again, you want to be breathing through all those stretches, but these are the best upper body stretches that you should do before and after you do any kind of heavy weightlifting, overhead weightlifting, biceps, triceps. Try those out, okay? Thanks so much, guys. See you soon.